Imagine being so hungry you could eat your own body weight in a day. Meet Tarrare, revolutionary France's most bizarre medical mystery. He devoured live animals, buckets of apples, and even once ate a whole eel, bones and all. Doctors were so baffled, they locked him in hospitals to test his limits. He was even used as a secret courier, swallowing messages hidden inside wooden boxes. But his insatiable appetite remained a mystery, and he died young, still starving. Tarrare's story proves truth is stranger than fiction. Like, share, and subscribe for more insane history facts.